Did you know that spending just 20 minutes in bright light can improve your mood, boost energy, and regulate sleep? Let's explore how bright light therapy can transform your well-being. Bright light therapy, or BLT, is a science-backed technique that uses natural or artificial light to help regulate your body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. When you're exposed to bright light in the morning, your brain releases serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which improves mood and focus. Later in the evening, your body naturally shifts to producing melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster. This therapy is widely used for seasonal depression or SAD, insomnia, and even dementia care, where disrupted sleep is a common issue. But how do you use bright light therapy properly? And what's the best time to do it? Keep watching, I'll break it all down. Bright light therapy isn't just about sitting in the sun, it's about timing and exposure. Here's how you can use it effectively. Get 20 to 30 minutes of bright light exposure in the morning, either from natural sunlight or a light therapy box. Position the light correctly. It should be indirectly in front of you, not directly into your eyes. Use a light with at least 10,000 lux intensity. This mimics natural daylight and signals your body to wake up. This therapy is perfect for shift workers, night owls, and those struggling with low energy or depression. It's even used to help dementia patients regulate sleep-wake cycles, reducing restlessness and nighttime agitation. Bright light therapy is a simple, natural way to reset your body clock, boost mood, and improve focus, all with the power of light. Want to learn exactly how to use bright light therapy at home? My upcoming shorts will share step-by-step tips. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it, and drop a comment on how you plan to use this therapy. And for more science-backed wellness tips, check out my channel. Together, let's take control of our sleep and mental health naturally. Thank you for watching.